Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So recently I took up a trade in a stock called Mangalam Organics. Basically I invested around 18 lakhs into this trade, and in a span of 2 weeks I got a profit of around 3 lakhs 13,000. So the ROI would be around 16%. It was a very easy trade, comfortable trade. After I entered, it slowly just moved up easily. So let me just explain you in detail about what happened and where I entered. Before that, please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hello friends, so this is the Mangalam Organics weekly time frame chart. The pattern is very straightforward, it's very simple. You can check this resistance line. The stock has been getting more than 3 resistance at this particular price, and there was a wonderful breakout, right? And after the breakout it moved almost 43%, which is great, and I did not find this after the breakout. Okay, I found the stock somewhere around here, so I put this on the watch list and I set alerts. And what happened was, almost for 3 months it was consolidating, so I did not enter anywhere here or here or here or here. I waited, and after the breakout I still didn't enter right away, because sometimes it can just go down again, and things can change, can take some time also. So that is why I did not enter here. So my average price is around 740, which is right around here. So this bullish candle confirmed that okay, things are good, and I can also put my stop loss below the swing low or the trend line low, correct? So which is where I put 740, and just in 2 weeks or something, not even 2 weeks, less than that, I was able to get some good profits. Maybe I will exit the stock today. It doesn't look that bad. I will wait and see if things are pretty sideways. As long as it is sideways, it's completely fine. I will be exiting only if things go like this, and I will continue this trade if there is a breakout, and I hope there is a breakout from this, because the consolidation period is pretty long, right? Almost for 3 months it has been consolidating, and let's hope for the best. So right now I'm already in a comfortable position to exit. I'm happy with 1:2, because I've allocated 18 lakhs and I already got like 3 lakhs, which is more than enough for me. I don't want anything more than that. 1:2 is like the starting point where you can exit 50% if you want. So I may even exit 50% of my profits here, and try to hold the other quantity, which is like half, right? So pretty much a simple trade, guys. Nothing more to explain in this trade. As you guys know that there is no complexity, it's just a pure price action trade. It was a wonderful breakout, 3 months consolidation, and again there was a small channel. After the breakout I waited for some time, and after some confirmation I entered here. Okay, yes, I could have entered here also, but the stop loss would be pretty high, either the trend line low. I was just not comfortable. Okay, so after this bullish candle I was confident that okay, this is going up, and hence I entered here. Okay, so that is all. If you guys want a special video, probably around Diwali, like for a selection of stocks, please let me know in the comment section. If you want a special video for Diwali, I can post a video of some potential stocks that can move well. I can do it, and yeah, please make sure to like this video as well. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience.